Okay, so we're going to talk about some breathable insulation. We've been doing breathable insulation for a long time at Arc'teryx. We have the Acto FO that Greg is wearing, as well as the Proton series, which is a little bit warmer. But we really thought for fall 19 that there was, sorry, fall 18, that there was room for another weight of breathable insulation in the line. So we came out with the Rise Hoody. So the benefit of breathable insulation is that as you're going throughout your day and you're putting an exertion on the skin track or climbing, your body's producing a lot of vapor, and so you need a system that enables you to move that vapor through it, and so it doesn't condense on your mid layers. And it's just more efficient, so you don't have to take jackets on and off. So we came out with the Rise Hoody. The face fabric on the Rise is Fortius Air 20, so it's a 20 denier 4-way stretch fabric, so it's going to move really well with you. It's highly durable. We also use this in one of our pro mid layers for guides and rescuers, so we're really psyched on the durability of the fabric. And on the inside, the insulation is Octaloft, so it's a next to skin insulation. So the benefit of that is you don't have to have a face fabric insulation and then a liner. You can just have your face fabric and your insulation, so it saves weight as well as adds breathability. Yep, so it's nice clean finish on the inside. You have a stash pocket here, 2 hand pockets, and then the hood on the Rise is a low profile under the helmet kind of hood with a ball cap adjustment toggle here. So yeah, it's a great mid layer. You can layer it with the Rise LT or the Rush LT or Alpha AR, and when you put a hard shell over top of it, it closes down and creates a microclimate, so it's not as breathable, but it keeps added warmth in the system. So it's highly efficient.
And then one interesting thing about the insulation is the shape of the yarn. We call it octa because it has 8 flanges off of it. The reason for that is you get more loft from the yarn with less weight. If you had just a solid filament round yarn, you wouldn't get nearly the loft, so that's what the shape of the yarn does. It gives you that loft and that warmth.
Right.